Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys. The do not disturb setting guys. How can we on it and how can we use it? Friends, you want to on guys your Samsung phone guys. The do not disturb so how can you on today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we on guys the do not disturb in Samsung phone device. So first of all guys you will have to turn guys your phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see the stuff setting in your Samsung phone device. So friends, we will click on guys the Samsung phone guys the sound and vibration guys. Tap on sound and vibration. Oh sorry friends, come back friends. Click on first of all notification setting guys. Tap on notification. Friends, you can see guys your Samsung phone this do not disturb. So we will tap here to on it. So friends, you can see do not disturb setting. So friends, you can see do not disturb is on until you turn it off. So friends, your do not disturb will not off when you will not off it. Friends, you can see do not disturb icon on your screen. So like that guys we can on guys do not disturb setting and guys we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on do not disturb in Samsung phone. Bye guys.